Hello everyone, welcome back to Basic to Finance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Belk credit card account. If you'd like to get access to your credit card account right from your computer, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Open up a web browser and in the web address bar that pops up at the top, go ahead and type in www.belkcredit.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in the login area where it says access your account. Go ahead and type in your user ID in the first text box that appears at the top and then head over to the password field and type in your password. Double check your password by clicking on the little show link or the eye icon so that you can reveal your password. If you want the system to remember your user ID, you can check this remember user ID box, but if you're using a public device or a shared computer, leave it unchecked for your security. In case you've forgotten your user ID or your password, you can click on the user ID or the password link and follow the instructions to look for your user ID or to reset your password. Finally, after you're done typing in your credentials and you're ready to log in, click the secure login button, and that is how you'll be able to log into your Belk credit card account right away. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.